Hello guys, today we are going to discuss about a B cell immunoglobulin gene rearrangement test. It's a molecular test. So, what is the use of the test? It is done in order to diagnose B cell lymphoma. It's a type of cancer to detect and evaluate residual cancer cells. This test detects characteristic changes, rearrangements in the specific genes in B cell. There are different types of cells in our body. So out of different cells, B cells are one type of a cells in which investigation is being done. This information can be helpful in diagnosing B cell lymphoma. B cell lymphoma is a type of cancer. B cells are a type of a lymphocytes that produces antibodies in response to infections or other foreign invaders. Rearrangements in certain parts of their DNA, called immunoglobulin genes, are a normal part of their development. These rearrangements are associated with the development of a large repertoire of diverse B cells, allowing them to protect against many kinds of infection. The final order in which the genes are rearranged is called a gene rearrangement profile. Within any normal population of a B cells, the cells and their gene rearrangement profiles are very diverse. In a lymphoma, the B cells in affected tissue are identical, and their gene rearrangement profile are likewise identical. Lymphomas arises when abnormal B cell begin to produce numerous identical copies of itself, or clone. The cloned cells grow and divide uncontrollably, crowding out normal cells. A B cell immunoglobulin gene rearrangement test evaluates B cells in a person sample to determine whether the majority of the B cells rearrangement profile are diverse or identical. If it is diverse, it appears to be normal. If it is identical, it is abnormal. This information, along with the clinical signs and symptoms and results of other laboratory tests, can help clarify a person's diagnosis or evaluate the persistence or recurrence of lymphoma. Most non-Hodgkin lymphomas are B-cell lymphomas. Sample: a bone marrow tissue or body fluid sample collected by your doctor. Sometimes a blood sample is drawn from a vein in your arm. Normally, treating physician interpret these results. That's all for today's test.